Are you ready for your 2.3 liter Ford Ecoboost to make an additional 150 horsepower straight to the wheels? Then you need this 4-cylinder nitrous plate system for the 2.3 liter Ecoboost from Nitrous Express. This billet aluminum plate features spraybarless technology for the ultimate in atomization and distribution. The billet plate bolts between the throttle body and intake, making installation quick and easy. To make installation and mounting even easier, the solenoids have been integrated directly into the plate. This system comes complete with a direct plug-in fuel line adapter to simplify installation with no need to splice into your factory fuel lines. We also include a TPS Autolearn switch so that the nitrous only activates at wide open throttle and automatically turns off when you let your foot off of the accelerator. Jetting for 35 to 150 horsepower, stainless braided line, a master arming switch, as well as all of the necessary hardware to complete the installation. Our nitrous systems are engineered to optimize nitrous flow, helping you make more power while utilizing less nitrous. From our spraybarless plates to our industry-exclusive billet aluminum Lightning 500 bottle valve. This valve not only looks great, but is packed with features, including 2 integrated gauge ports, a 5/8 siphon tube, a large 1/2-inch orifice, and an improved flow path with only one 45-degree turn. The Lightning bottle valve looks great, flows great, and weighs nearly 1 full pound less than the old style brass valves. If you purchase your system with a bottle, we include this awesome billet aluminum Lightning 500 bottle valve. So if you're ready to give your 2.3 liter Ecoboost the power it wants, you need this system. For more information, you can visit us at www.nitrousexpress.com or give us a call at 1-888-GO-FAST-1. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below what you'd like to see next. As always, thank you all for watching, and I will see you next time.